I'm sure you've never prepared potatoes like this. It's amazing. Let's start by cooking 1 kilogram of potatoes. In another pan, I'll add olive oil, a chopped onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, and let it sauté a little. Next, I'll add 500 grams of ground beef and let it cook until the water evaporates. We'll season with a teaspoon of salt, paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 300 grams of tomato sauce, and keep mixing.
Subscribe to my channel.
Let's place the cooked potatoes in a large container like this one. Add a tablespoon of butter, chopped chives, and parsley. Now I'll mash them well with a potato masher, but you can also do this with a fork. I'll smooth the top and then divide it into 4 equal parts. Now I'll take one of the 4 parts we've divided and roll it. Then we'll make a hollow in the center. We'll stuff it with mozzarella cheese in the center and the ground beef we prepared earlier. Now I'll finish by adding a little more cheese on top. I'll put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And our recipe is ready. This recipe is simply one of the most delicious I've ever made. Thank you so much for watching until now, and see you next time.